Day 3. Both the fenders are off. Starting to show our colors. We got the metal area to fix the floors on both sides, but there's not a lot to fix if you know what you're doing. All along here, these here you can tack them on, pull them in and suck them in, fix them. Anybody can do it. You don't need to be a genius or nothing, or a body man, or you just got to know how to use a welder to tack a few things on. We're not no geniuses or nothing. We're just guys that like to do this kind of stuff. But yeah, she's coming. Anyway, we'll get back to you when we get a little bit more done. This is how we got to take the bolts out. Yeah, this is what she looks like underneath here.
One bolt left.
One bolt left, and we got the cab off. And then we start to repair the cab and just pull the chassis out. Because we got another chassis for the build. And that's it for a wrap today. We got a nice bit done today. Yeah. Get almost all the bolts out. Only one bolt left out. And then the cab can come right off. And then we'll roll the chassis